Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm being with the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G for baseball wireless. The Galaxy A27 is now here at baseball. It's available now for $349.99 for retail price there. So not bad for this type of phone here. So if you guys are looking to get a decent budget smartphone with pretty good specs and features, the Galaxy A27 is worth checking out here. So anyways, it's available in the black color, 128 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, there is the phone front and back. It looks like any other Samsung phone recently. You guys got your 4-point step front facing camera, power and back case on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone is your triple camera system, camera flash in your Samsung logo. Alright. That's the front of the phone like I just mentioned. All points for front facing camera, power and back case on the right side of the phone. There's the right side of the phone there. It looks like it's indented right here. Which it probably isn't. Then it looks like it's indented right here. So pretty interesting there. Button case power button. You do have a fingerprint scanner on here. It's probably your power button or it's an in-display fingerprint sensor. I am not really sure. Back of the phone right there is your triple camera system, camera flash Samsung logo. Alright. Very nice. Scroll down here. You guys have the option to pay monthly for it as well. If you guys want to do monthly, just make sure that you guys pay on time so it does not fuck with your credit score. So that's very important. If you guys do the monthly thing, make sure that you guys pay on time so it does not fuck up your credit score. You don't want to do that, trust me. So you guys can do the Affirm Pay in full or as low as $29.17 a month for 12 months, 7% APR plus taxes. And like I said, you guys can also pay for retail price at $349.99. It's also recommended that you guys get phone insurance for your phone just in case anything can be so if anything goes wrong, you can get your phone replaced or whatever. It says that visible protect cannot be added after your device is purchased. So that's interesting. So let's get to the features here. So it says that Galaxy A27 5G makes upgrading your phone feel worth it. The center punch hole and summer bezel provide a more immersive viewing experience that make everything from streaming videos to reading recipes feel smoother and easier on the eyes. It's a stylish, modern design that looks and feels like it belongs to a more expensive device. Like I said, it looks like any other recent Samsung smartphone, so design-wise, they were made from it to designed to keep up with real life. Galaxy A27 5G delivers boosted performance that makes app even faster. Video stream seamlessly and scrolling feels snappy. The upgraded 12-megapixel HDR front camera helps selfie look brighter, clearer, and more true to life. Plus, with awesome intelligence as Samsung's AI features built in, everyday tasks take less effort. Second, the search with Google lets you instantly search what's on your screen without switching apps. That's a great feature. I love that feature a lot. It's a great feature. Every phone should have that. But second, the search thing is exclusive to Samsung phones and Pixel phones, I'm pretty sure. You also have Object Eraser, which helps clean up your favorite photos in just a few taps. Galaxy A27 5G keeps things simple, intuitive, and ready for real life. Awesome price, amazing value, and that is exactly true. So, of course, this is a 5G compatible phone. Make sure that, obviously, this is a 5G phone, obviously. Roaming on Visible Plus. So, I guess if you want to use your phone in Canada and Mexico, you guys have to get Visible Plus to get the roaming capability. So, make sure that you're on the right plan and also make sure that your passport is up to date. It's very important steps to take note there. Okay. Specs, it has a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. It's a 120Hz refresh rate, which is pretty much standard now in all phones. Doesn't matter if it's a budget phone, flagship phone, or whatever. 120Hz refresh rate is pretty much standard now. The weight of the Galaxy A27 5G is 7.05 ounces. Dimensions as you guys will see on screen is 6.39 inches height, 3.08 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. It takes a eSIM, or you can do physical SIM card, which takes a nano SIM card. eSIM is a lot quicker and faster, and you can have your phone up and ready immediately. You don't have to wait for the SIM card to come to you. You can do eSIM and get your stuff ready to go instantly. So eSIM is a lot more convenient, but you do have the option to do official SIM if you guys want to do that. So you do have a choice. It runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5. I'm pretty sure that's been installed out of the box. You'll get 6 years of iOS updates, so you guys will get all the way up to Android 22 on this phone. So that's pretty good if you guys like to keep your phones for several years. Rear camera is a 50 megapixel wide angle, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro camera lens on the back with flash, a 12 megapixel front facing camera. So yeah, it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, so that's pretty decent processor there. 128 gigabytes of ROM, 6 gigabytes of RAM, so pretty good for that. 5,000 mAh battery, it's not a bad time. That does not even mention that. I don't know why that's even listed here. It has security. It has Samsung Next 3.13. Here the compatibility is Bluetooth 5.1. It has sub 6 gigahertz in C band for 5G, so that's nice. If you guys want to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G features and specs, I will have the link down below if you guys want to check that out. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. It's not visible wireless. It's available now for $349.99 for retail price, or y'all guys can pay monthly for it. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone with pretty good specs and features, the Galaxy A27 5G is worth checking out here. So if you guys like the Galaxy A series, this is the phone for y'all guys to check out. Y'all guys get great specs and features for what it is. You guys will get 6 years of software updates and 6 years of security updates. So that's a win. Not bad for $350. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.